Can you video? Oh, boy, you know what? I sure do have a little bit of a need to sneeze. Can you turn that video around like this? Hold it like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, let's talk about the history of sneezing. Did you know that when you sneeze, people used to say, God bless you, because your heart would stop, or they thought your heart would stop for just a teeny-weeny minute. You know what I mean, Goofy?
Oh gosh, yes, that sounds like a good time to say God bless you. Achoo!
Oh, well, God bless you.
Achoo! You mean like that, Miss Minnie?
God bless you. Yes. I do. I do. I do. I do.
Gosh, sounds like you need a tissue. Well, achoo! Me. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Gosh.
Achoo!
Gee.
Achoo! 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 Choo! 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 Choo!
Oh, boy, your nose. I used my nice clean white glove and wipe your nose off. You got a little drippy right there.
Oh, you have a little mouse drip right there.
Well, thank you. Yes, I try to keep my nose fresh and clean. Oh, bless you, Aiden. Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Well, anyway, seeing as how we're sneezing,
Bless you.
bless you, seeing as how we're doing all this sneezing, it's probably time for us to stop talking about the history of sneezes and locate some tissues. I think Ernie and Bert call those sneeze protectors.
Gosh.